guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to use LinkedIn for freelance work. Yes guys, whether you are an employer who needs freelancers for their work or if you are a freelancer who needs clients, this video is totally for you. I'm going to explain you how you can use LinkedIn as a freelancer or as an employer who needs freelancer. Basically, freelancers can list their services on the LinkedIn platform, and then the employers or the clients who needs freelancers for their work can hire them directly by contact them, right? So let me directly jump into the LinkedIn platform and show you how you can do this. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my LinkedIn profile, right? This is my LinkedIn profile. I'm in the home section. Let me click on home section. Yeah, so I'm in the home section now. In order to find this option basically where freelancers can list their services is called service marketplace, right? So there's a feature on LinkedIn which is service marketplace, which you can use, or you can say that is kind of a Amazon or the marketplace where you can list, or the freelancers can list their products or the services there, and then the clients or the employers who want to hire those freelancers can check out their services, and if they like it, if they like their portfolio, they can hire them, right? So how you can find that feature? You need to go to this business for business icon. Once you click on this, you'll be able to see this option, service marketplace. Click on this, and once you click on this, you will be able to see a separate page like this where it says take your project from to do to done, right? And here you can search, basically you can search the talent over here. Whatever the talent you need, email marketing, digital marketing, graphic designing, accounting, SEO, anything, you can search here directly. Also here you can see some popular services like graphic designing, marketing strategy, public relation, iOS development, and tons of others. If you click on see all services, you'll be able to see other services as well, right? These are the services which you can go through, but you can directly search in this search bar as well. Let's say I search here graphic designing, for example, just an example that I need a graphic designer. So I'll be searching here graphic design, and once I search graphic design over here, I'll be able to see the profiles who have received at least 4-star ratings from LinkedIn members, right? So these are the graphic designers who have received at least 4-star ratings. If I scroll a little bit down here, I'll be able to see more other around. I got 644,000 accounts over here who are graphic designers. So I can directly message them and I can ask for their uh, portfolio or their experiences, that what they have done in the previous, like let's say if I show you one example, let's say this one, or let's say this, let's take this account, right? If I click on this more button, learn more button, it will take me to one more another page which is service page, right? So here this candidate or this person, this girl has listed her services, that what she provides, her pricing as well, everything has been added here, right? And if I want to contact her, I can directly message her. If I want directly from directly a proposal from her, I can request a proposal as well, right? Here are we got few more options like post this service page and send in a message. So basically we can send the message, the option is available here as well, right? And this is not a profile, this is a different page, or you can say the service page, right? And if you want to visit the profile, you need to just click on visit profile, and now you will be able to visit this candidate's or this person's profile, right? Let me go back again and let me show you. So now, as you can see, she has mentioned some extra details over here, some reviews as well. And let's check out few other profiles as well. Let me go back here. Let's check out this, the first one. If I click on this, let's see how much information he has added into this profile. So this is the information, basically the basic info over here about info. If I click on see more, I'll be able to see the services he's offering, right? Now if I scroll a little bit down, the pricing he hasn't mentioned, so for that I need to contact him. And this is the media option. If I click here, I'll be able to see kind of the projects he have done. right? So these are the web designing projects, I guess. Yeah. So this is how your profile looks like. And now if you like the profile or if you want to talk with him, you can directly message him, you can request a proposal. And this is from the employer's perspective, basically. If you are an employer or if you are the client who needs freelancers for their work, that's how you can search over, right? But the thing is, if you are a freelancer, then how you can list your services over here, right? So for that, you need to go back to the same page, which is the this page where we were searching for the professions, right? We were searching for the talents, different talents, right? So you need to go back to this page, and then if you scroll this page to little bit down here, you'll be able to see, let me scroll a little bit more, I'll be able to see the option. Yeah, this is the option that says, are you a provider? So if you are the service provider, you can list yourself as well. So for that, you need to click on get started. And once you click on get started, you will be able to create your own service page as well. So here, basically, you need to enter all the important details, like what are the services you provide. So by default, digital marketing is here. If you want to add few more services like copywriting, let's take copywriting example. So you can add the copywriting as well. So I've added two services. If you want, you can add more, but I want to go with only two this. Right now here you can add, basically you can add something about yourself. So by default, LinkedIn has added some content over here using my profile, basically, right? So let me, yeah, so LinkedIn has added that we at Marketing Fundas provide world-class digital marketing services that will help you succeed. Okay, it is done. So let's go with this text, and here you can set the location as well, and how you can find out that, not you, LinkedIn find out that you are from New Delhi because you have added into your profile. So if you are available to work remotely, you can click on this option as well. I'm available to work remotely, and then the city is this, right? If you want, you can uncheck this box as well. So it is totally up to you. Then here you can add the pricing. Let's say you can add the starting your hourly rate. Let's say our hourly rate is $20. So the currency here, you can set the currency as well. And if you don't want to share the pricing details, you can select this contact for pricing, right? After this, review visibility, yes, you need to turn on this review visibility so that the users or the clients can see the reviews, right? Client request, obviously allow LinkedIn members that you are not connected with to message you for free. Yes, you need to turn this option on so that the LinkedIn members who have not with whom you have not connected, they can message you freely. Then visibility, who can see the service you provide? Anyone. Yes, it is totally good. Now you can just save this, and your service page has been created, right? So your service page updated. Now what you have to do is, you it is asking you to create or to add some post. If you want, you can share some post as well. But if you want to view your service page, you can directly click here and view the service page. But this is not the end here. This is the service page creation process, right? But the thing is, you need to add some extra details over here so that the users or the clients or the employers who are visiting your page can believe you that you are a good digital marketer or a good copywriter. So for that, you need to add some reviews. How you can add some reviews? You can ask your existing clients, your previous clients, for the reviews who are into LinkedIn. So you can invite them to get some reviews, high quality reviews. Then here, upload your work sample. You can upload some work sample as well so that the visitors can check out your work sample as well. Then link a company page. If you run a company, you can link the company page as well. Then here you can add some medias which will show your experience and your work, right? So this is how you can create your proper service page, which will give you free clients or which will help you to get free business, right? I hope you got the point. And I've already told you from clients perspectives or the employers perspectives, and now I've already told you from the freelancers perspective, right? So that's how you can do the process. I hope everything is clear now. If you still have any confusion or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button.